Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be taking a look and showcasing how to install the brand new, still in development music bot for Discord called Rayong. So what is it? It's a music bot, and what can it do? There's actually a few things. So while this bot is still in development, they're adding a lot of really great features. It already has the ability to play and control a queue like all of your favorite music bots. You can have it set it up so that you can play right down here. It'll play any URL that you throw at it from either YouTube or SoundCloud, and they're working really hard to add support for other platforms that let you upload music. You can also generate a playlist where you can play from a music playlist off of YouTube. You can add a bunch of songs and then view and control the queue. And as they go along, they're going to add the ability to control settings and permissions with like a DJ role. And you can do all these various great things that you can see in this control list. So let's add it to our server and see what it's like. So let's go ahead and click on Add to Discord. So once you've got the bot installed, that's really all you need to do. You just get it installed. In my case, I gave it a little role so that it appears here in the sidebar underneath of the bots tag. And you can just put in any type of music you want in order to play it. So let's go %play space the URL of either a YouTube video or a SoundCloud link, hit play, and then it should hop in and immediately start playing. Oh, there you go. Almost immediate, so yeah, there you go. It just instantaneously hops into the channel with you, and it starts playing the music. And the cards that you can see right here have a lot of great information to show you what the song is that you're listening to. So this one's just a free song that I found called Misfits. It's from No Copyright Music, and it's got 10,000 some views. It's a minute and 40 seconds long, and it was requested by Larry Chupacabra. And I actually like the fact that it tells you who requested the song, because there's a lot of times that you'll be in a channel listening in a big public server and somebody will request an offensive song or something to troll people. And it's really useful to know who did that so that you could potentially kick them out of the channel and ban them. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit %stop. And what I do like about this bot too is it almost immediately just hops out of channel when there's nothing left to play, as opposed to a lot of bots that'll just linger in the channel with you without being played, and then you have to tell them to manually disconnect or wait like an hour or something. So that's actually really cool. It also allows you to play SoundCloud music. So let's just grab a quick SoundCloud clip. All right, so we've got a little thing called Affection, which is a royalty-free music out on SoundCloud. So we'll just go ahead and hit %play and pop in that URL. And here it does the same thing. It tells you what the song is, how long it is, who requested it, and how many times it's been listened to. So that's actually really cool. It had zero problems with that. Some bots, it takes them a second to load up SoundCloud, but this was instantaneous. So that was actually really nice. So what I can say about this bot and its creator is the creator reached out to me in order to showcase this bot here today, and he's working to flesh this bot out with user-requested features so that it has things that people want and also popular features that are included in a lot of other bots. This is things like he's going to be adding a DJ role, a more expansive website that has all the information on it, like what these controls are. So if you're interested in a bot that's not overwhelmed by millions of users, because that's kind of the big problem with Groovy Bot and with Rhythm Bot, is they're oftentimes used by so many people that they go down, and then it takes them a while to come back up. So this is a brand new music bot, doesn't have a ton of people yet, and it's going to have a lot of really cool features as they flesh it out. So I would definitely say check it out. I mean, really, you don't really need a lot more in a music bot besides playing music, controlling your playlist, controlling the queue. It lets you do things like post stuff onto a playlist from places like YouTube. You can remove stuff from the queue. You can resume all of that stuff here. So check it out. I will put links in the video description for you. I fully recommend this. It's always kind of cool, especially with things like bots and programs, to see how they evolve and the cool features that they add. And if you really want to see something, you can totally contact the developer yourself. They're actually on my server, and let them know what kind of cool features that you would like to see in this bot as it moves forward. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a look at the Rayong music player, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one. I cannot persuade you.